Hello friends, how you doing everyone? Hope everyone is doing great and enjoying your Sunday. We all had celebrated our independence in a grand manner. Yes, today we are enjoying the fruit of freedom at the cost of invaluable lives given by our great freedom fighters. We all give a big salute to them. India is the largest democratic nation on this planet. The government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Our great and brave soldiers are safeguarding our nation from our enemies, irrespective of difficult weather conditions and hardest terrain conditions. So we all give a very very big salute, royal salute to them. Yes. Actually, we are always proud to be an Indians. We India is leading the rest of the world in many aspects. So that is the thing we really, as an Indian, we really need to proud of it. Still, we need to achieve in a better way in many aspects. Yes, we all Indians are aspiring to become superpower nation in the world. Yes, we can easily become a superpower nation. Superpower doesn't mean that we should possess largest army or any sophisticated, dangerous military equipments. We don't need that kind of superpower. We want to become a different kind of superpower. That whole world has to come to us and bow to us. Yes, if you and me think, or if you and me do it perfectly, we India can easily become superpower of the world. Yes, it is very easy. So first of all, we have to keep our surroundings clean. So quickly we will become superpower of cleanliness. If we keep our surroundings and infrastructures clean, the tourist will start pouring. Yes, India is the greatest geographical diversity nation in this planet. It is a 365 days destination that even the 365 days is not enough for touring around India. Yes, it is the greatest nation with geographical diversity. So we can easily become superpower of tourism. Yes. Then India is a country with abundance of solar energy. We can make use of the solar energy, and if we try to install the solar panels in our homes for our own electrical energy, so we can easily become superpower of solar energy. That is a renewable energy. So in future, so our energy should come from renewable sources like solar and wind. We should not do any harm to our environment for our developments. So we have to take care of our environment, so that only environment will take care of us. So we have to become a superpower of solar energy, and 60 percentage of the workforce in our country is in agricultural area. So we have to boost our farmers, so that we can become superpower of agricultural protection. Soon we will become like a superpower to supply food products to the entire world. Yes, we should aspire to become that kind of a superpower, that is agricultural superpower. And the sector is the second largest employer after agriculture. We have to boost the textiles, and we have to become superpower in textile production also. And actually, we need to become superpower in electronics also. We need to produce electronics after taking technology from Taiwan and Japan, to make our own electronics part in our country only. So we don't need to depend on other countries for our electronics supply. Yes, we India is the largest consumer of electronics, so we can easily produce our own electronics in our country, and we can easily become superpower in electronics manufacturing, and we can supply the whole world. Yes, we have to aspire to become electronics superpower. And also, India is the nation which possesses the yoga technology. So we all should learn yoga, and we have to teach the whole world about yoga. The yoga will bring peace and happiness to our mind. So by this way, we can become a superpower in yoga, and eventually superpower in peace loving nation, and superpower in happiness index. So the people's happiness index should improve. Then only the country will be called as a superpower. It is not merely an economical or military superpower. So, and apart from that, there are lot of fields which we can lot of other fields which we can become superpower. So we are the largest supplier of pharmaceutical products. We can easily we are already the superpower in pharmaceuticals. So still we need to improve in that sector. And apart from that apart from this there are lot of other sectors, so we can easily become the superpower. So we all love our mother India. Jai Hind. Thank you. Take care. Bye.